Hey folks, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to our kitchen. Pull up a chair and sit right down. We're going to make something delicious. Today we're making horseradish deviled eggs. First thing you want to do is get your pot with water, and we're going to do 12 eggs. So you're just going to place them right on in here. Alright, so I put 13 in there just in case one doesn't happen to peel or something funky wonky happens with it. You're just going to turn these on. And you're going to wait till they come to a full boil. When they do come to a full boil, then you're going to time them from 10 to 12 minutes and let them boil before you take them off. So it's been about 11 minutes. We're going to take these off. We're going to rinse them in some cold water, then add some ice and some more cold water. So for the deviled eggs, we're going to need some fresh dill. I have it pulled off and I'm just going to chop it up just a little bit. After your eggs are cold, you're going to go ahead and get those peeled. As you peel them, you just want to cut them in half and put the yolks separate. You want to mash up your yolks pretty good, and then you're going to add in a half a cup of mayonnaise. I have a quarter cup. I'm going to add the other quarter cup to make the half cup. 2 tablespoons of horseradish. I have 1, and there's the second tablespoon. 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. And 2 teaspoons of fresh dill. There's 1. And 2. We're going to mix that all together. The little bit of dill that's left, we're going to sprinkle on top with some paprika once we put it into the eggs. Now you can take a piping bag and put it in there, or you can drop this in by the spoonfuls just right down into your eggs. Dust it with a little bit of smoked paprika. You just want to make them pretty. That's all this is for. So just lightly tap that on there. Gives them a nice, pretty little color. And we're going to sprinkle a little bit of this dill right on top too. Doesn't really matter if you hit the eggs, you're just putting it in here.
It kind of does. It's to make them look nice.
It makes them look pretty. And do the same for the top level. And then guess what, folks? There you have that horseradish-kissed deviled egg. They are not spicy, but they just have a little bit of horseradish taste. And ooh, are they delicious. You can thank me in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you on the next video.